Baby. Calliope. Calliope. Baby, what are you looking at? You looking at the light? You little moth. Attracted to light. Hey. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What was that? Tell me more. Talk to me. Talk to me. Come on. What are you getting so excited about? Huh? Baby. God, say something. Say something.
Focus for the camera, baby.
Look at that here. Now you don't know how to have a camera on you, huh? Look at his chicken. Good baby. Woo! There you go. Strong little eggs. Hi, honey. Hi, baby. Hi. Can you smile for mommy? Can you smile for mommy? Come on. Smile for mama. Now your eyes get really wide. Come on, baby. Baby. You do all the little sounds, and as soon as I take the camera out, you don't want to do it, huh? Smile, baby. Smile for mama? Yes. Smile for mama. There we go. There's a little bit of a smile. There we go. You want to talk to mama? Huh? You want to talk to mama? Hey, are you pooping? Baby. Hey. Ow, you kicked me. How are you treating mama, huh?